My professional career started in the Air Force. I was there for a few years, and I got to see what it was like to work with a team and meeting different deadlines at a moment's notice. So that really helped me stay focused. When I moved from the Air Force to civilian life, I learned that I had a calling to be an engineer because I was always trying to solve problems and fix things and help people. I really enjoy helping people. That's my passion. I kind of got led into engineering and electrical specifically. It just really drew me in. And when I started in the industry, I started as a CAD operator. And working through those challenges to quickly get a design done, that led me to be eager enough to do more things. And I was able to work my way through school while I was working. And then eventually I was able to become a designer, worked with several different firms, got my degree, and I've been in the electrical engineering industry for about 22 years now. And I've been a PE for a little over 15 years now. And being in a PE, making all the decisions and helping people and being the one that people look to for answers for whatever challenge that they have has been a great blessing. Working for all kinds of different firms, I was able to get experience and touch on so many different types of buildings, schools, residential, multifamily residential, data centers, restaurants, office buildings, factories, industrial, to solve a problem creatively with the resources that I have and the background that I have. That's what I offer to a lot of clients, and that's why I get a lot of phone calls from all kinds of people. What I really enjoy is offices because I can be kind of creative with some of the lighting areas. And with the challenge that I get with data centers for all the redundancy, which is similar to hospitals, all that power redundancy in different types of systems, I'm able to understand everything and then provide some great options for the client. So my ideal client would be someone who knows what they want or someone who doesn't know what they want. And the reason I say it that way is if they have an idea of exactly what they want, then I can work with that and maybe give them some options that they didn't think about. Or if it's somebody that has absolutely no idea about lighting or anything else with power distribution, I can guide them. And I really enjoy guiding people to help them understand. I try to use analogies or whatever I can, or examples, so that they can understand what they will be getting, even though I can see it in my mind what the goal will be. A lot of challenges start with either a blank slate and they don't know what they really want, or when it's a design build situation, either new construction or renovation. Renovation gets really difficult because you often have a lot of restrictions to what you're trying to get to. But I enjoy getting those phone calls or sitting down having conversations so that we can work through some options. With design build, you've got a lot of team players, and you have it for design bid build also. But when you work design build, then you can work with the contractor who's actually installing it and may know other issues that we need to work through. But when you work on a typical design team, you're working with the civil, the structural, mechanical, plumbing, and the architect to try to get everything together and work great together as a team. And I've had so much success with so many teams. It's been a true blessing finding the right people to work with. So one thing that's really good about my industry is that I have a lot of repeat business, a lot of the same clients, just different projects. And that is so comforting, having that team that you've worked with before and you can work with them again. It's been a great thing. I'm always willing and available to take phone calls and emails from people with questions concerning electrical, lighting, power distribution, or just a different way to handle a situation. And I really enjoy being that earpiece for people to work through something. Whether I take them on as a client or not, or if it's a new project, that's fine. But I truly enjoy in my heart helping people. That really speaks to my love language.